Hi guys, and it's Raina Vlogs slash Raina Craft, kind of, I don't know, but it's still the same channel, it's still the same girl. So today I'm going to be doing a 4th of July makeup tutorial. I saw all the comments on the Hollywood makeup, and I thought maybe, well, I know, I do it like this. Everybody, how are you supposed to go like this? I squint, I hate it. I mean, it's hard, okay? So I do it like this. I'm not holding onto my eyelid, I'm holding onto my lashes, and I go like this. So don't judge me, please. If you do, it's fine. I mean, just maybe try to do it sometime. Just try it. It's cool. I mean, you don't have to do it like that. Just put on the eyeshadow. Well, you know. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Okay, first I'm gonna use this pinkish reddish color. If you have red eyeshadow, that would also work, but I don't apparently, so I'm just going to use pink. And you want to apply it not the whole eyelid, but like on the outer corners, like where you would put your wing at. I would put it over there. That's where I'm putting mine. So you would do that, and then you would be done. Wait, you guys are probably wondering why I'm adding it all the way up to my eyebrow. You're like, I think she's doing it wrong. No, you're supposed to add it up to your eyebrow if you're wondering, and you're like, hey, wait, that looks a little too high for makeup. But it's supposed to be pop, it's supposed to be kind of funky, because it's a holiday, so that's what. Just wanted to pause, just wanted to stop the video for you, in case you had some issues and you were confused, so. Next, I'm going to be using white eyeshadow in the middle, right next to the red. It's not that hard. All you have to do is just put it on right down the middle. Make sure you can see it. Actually, you don't want it to be faint. You want it to be nice, so you can see it. And well, yep, that's how you put it. Right now I'm just adding a little bit more red. I think my red, or my pinkish red I should say, was a little too faint, so I thought I would add some more on it. You could always add more eyeshadow. You could pause the video and just always add more eyeshadow. If you're not actually doing the makeup tutorial, just watching it, that's fine also, but little tip, if it's too faint, yeah, just always add more. You don't have to follow the steps, just add one coat. You can add as many coats as you want. Next, you're going to want to add the blue. It doesn't want to be too light, and you don't want to make it too dark, but you want to make just the right amount of dark. So you don't want it like bright, you want it darker, and you want to put it right next to the white. And remember, you can always use extra coats of eyeshadow. Pause the video, use your extra coats if you're actually using this makeup tutorial. Some people like to just watch the makeup tutorials. That's fine. I do that sometimes too, so. Next, we are going to use the pink lip liner. You're just going to want to outline all around your lips, and then you're going to want to color it in. we're gonna do eyeliner. I actually think I might get it symmetrical this time. I might actually do pretty good this time. I don't know. We're starting off with a pretty good wing there. Let's see if we can get the other one symmetrical. Can we get another? Perfect, I got it symmetrical, guys! Yay! Next, I'm going to be using Gloss Stick from Soap and Glory. It's basically a stick, like a lipstick, but like shinier and glossier. And it's like a coral color, and it's really, really pretty. That is about it for my tutorial. Doesn't it just look great? This is the first time we're getting my eyeliner perfectly symmetrical. Like, this is awesome. This looks amazing. Like, doesn't it? Like, look at that. It's so hot in it. Looks so just awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what makeup tutorials or what videos would you like me to do next. Would you like me to cut stuff open with a knife? Would you like me to do another